So now we're headed to the river. We were previously headed to a river, but it was not the river we thought it was gonna be. So now we're in the back of a pickup truck, and it's bumpy as hell because it's the road we're traveling on. And I'll get back to y'all when we get to our destination. Oh God.
A few moments later.
Yeah, the big one at the entrance or
Yes.
She's from Canada. She's a tour operator and pro photographer.
Oh.
So she comes to the farm to take pictures. You got some current there. You just go sit in these rocks there, and you just relax like a jacuzzi.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's real jungle water. This river.
Ooh. So we made it to the river. This river is in the mountains. It has fresh water that runs down. I can show y'all. Right now, Dakota and Chanel are in the cut. We're trying to get pictures. Again, we're content creators. We're trying to get some good content. I got on the same bathing suit. I don't know if I showed y'all earlier, but I got on a bathing suit. I'll insert the pictures of my suits. So the goal when you go on trips, like, you want to enjoy yourself, of course, but the goal is also to capture the memories. So I brought multiple outfits, multiple bathing suits, and like, even if it's the same day, like I had this bathing suit on without the top and the hat, and I add the top and the hat, and now I got a new look. And so it just makes you have more content for your page. But it's so beautiful. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys where we're at. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm enjoying myself in Costa Rica. It feels so good. So this is day 2. We have one more day left, but it's all good. We're gonna have a good time. Okay, so I got the lighting together. I think it was the lack of the sun. I don't know. I'm trying to get my canning settings together, but it comes to the territory of being a vlogger. Like I said, we switched villas because we had a septic issue. Now I'm chilling by the pool because we're about to go horseback riding, and I just want to chillax. We've been up all day. Yeah, we've been up since like 8 a.m. going on little adventures. I'll insert some clips. My quality is going to change because I was on my phone when I went on an excursion. I really don't want to take my camera out anywhere too far, so yeah, I'm about to just chill by the pool. You guys can watch me chill by the pool, and then when we get to the horses, I'll be back with the horses. And then tonight we're going out to eat, so I'll be vlogging all of that as well.
A few inches later.
right, y'all.
One eternity later.
So the horses are here, and we haven't rode horses in a minute. So this will be interesting. They're so cute. They're a little, and we know some big body Benzes. But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. So stay tuned.
12 seconds later.
And this is the old church. What's wrong? Oh, wow. We're still riding horses. And look at the other horses he's on the cars. Oh, he want to talk. He trying to holler. Because I did not stop him. Chanel in the cut. Dakota in the cut like a Band-Aid. Dakota horse is disobedient.
I figured out my horse.
What's wrong?
Guys,
Yes,
I
Dakota.
figured out my horse. He's usually the leader.
So he acts up.
Why he's like having trouble.
All right now. Uh-oh. Don't hurt your horseshoes. So we're coming to the end of my Costa Rican vlogs. I'm only gonna do 2. We did end up extending an additional day, but we stayed in the city. And you know, it was a lot going on because we missed our flight, so we just wanted to like get some rest. I did enjoy my stay. Thank you guys. I'm currently at 400 subscribers, a little bit over. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it, you know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.